Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to set up, pair and use this remote trigger, the Canon RC-06. This is a compatible version, so they come in two flavors, the compatible one and the branded Canon one. So this is compatible with a lot of Canon DSLRs. Today I'm going to show you on how to do this on the EOS80D, but the menu should be the same on other Canon DSLRs. I'll be doing a follow-up video as well on how to use it on this camera, the M3 from Canon as well. The beauty of this is quite versatile and compatible with a lot of Canon cameras. So I'm going to leave you some affiliate links below where you can purchase them, watch some reviews. If you decide to buy them, it doesn't cost you anything, it's just to support the channel. I hope you enjoy the video and well, let's get set up. Okay, so now what we need to do is go into the menus. So we turn the camera on and we need to set the camera to video mode. So turn the lever here, the switch, to video, and very important because otherwise that menu won't be available, the one we're going to go now in a second. So now we press the menu button, and in the red you keep going right. So now it's on the second option there at the top, and then third, and we are looking for remote control. So remote control currently disabled, so I go, if it's not selected, go down, go to remote control, enable it, and voila, it's done. So now I should be able to use the remote for video. So we're going to do the experiment. It's very important that for this to work on video mode, that the switch is on position 2. Okay, so if it's on position 1 at the bottom, it won't work. As you can see, it doesn't work. So now we could put it back to position, the top position where it says 2 there at the top. So now if you look at the camera, I'm going to put it there. So, and now it's recording. You can see the red light there. It's right there, it's recording. To stop it, then we're going to press that, and now it's stopped. Okay, so now let's move on to the other option, which is the photography one. Photography, so we need to put this into photography mode, and then we need to, there's a setting that we need to change here. Okay, it's very simple setting. So we have to change the shooting mode. At the moment, as you can see there on the option, is on single shooting. We need to change it. So we press here, and then single shooting we select, and then we go across to the timer one. So we press timer, select, voila. So now we leave it here, and now there's two options, there's two ways to use this. Remember the two buttons? Okay, so basically I'm going to put it on live view so you can see. So now what we need to do is, if you want something on timer, okay, so now we set it to 2-second timer. So if you want it on timer, you leave the switch to the top at the back, number 2. So now if I press, you'll see, voila, and can take another picture. Okay, and now if I want to do something else, like a straight picture without a timer, I put the switch at the bottom, and then I do this again. It's not focusing. Okay, let's see. Okay, so that was the touchscreen, but let's do this again. Here you are. Okay, so yeah, so it was having a problem focusing, so now it's working. So bottom one, to the bottom, it's straight pictures without timer. And then if you want a timer one, you put the button there to the top, number 2, and you'll see now it's going to be timed. Obviously it's having problems focusing. It's not straight, yeah. Okay. Okay, so here's my tutorial. Very good product. Very good products once you know how to use it. But yes, so I highly recommend it. So stay tuned for my next video on how to use this on the Canon M3. And thank you.